You know, a lot of people criticize it because it's very impressionistic, right? I mean, the fact that we've been ranked number one, I think, 28 years or something like that is well, what does that really mean? A lot of people say it's just a beauty contest, right? Well, I'm living proof it ain't a beauty contest, okay? Okay, there's something else going on here than just beauty. And so, what do you think are the three most important environmental issues facing humanity in the 21st century? Water.
CO2 levels.
Climate. Energy. We got water. We need one more. You like to eat? Food, right? Energy, water, food. Guess what? You can become a specialist in each one of those, all of those. We got more degrees than Ben & Jerry's got flavorful ice cream. You like food? How about our MFALP? We love these acronyms. Masters of Food and Agricultural Law. We got that. You heard Dean McCormick talking about the Food Law Clinic. I mean, this is a chance for you to actually build local food webs, to actually bring organic food, healthy, nutritious, environmentally correct food to everybody's plate at an affordable price, without beggaring the environment, without destroying habitat, without filling wetlands, without polluting the water, without polluting the air, right? Good, healthy, nutritious, wonderful, tasty food systems controlled by people, not big ag. We can do that. We're doing that. Little by little, inch by inch, row by row, day by day. That's what we do here. How about energy? Anybody interested in energy? Anybody think we could have a cleaner, more efficient, more affordable, more reliable, more resilient, less planet-destroying energy system than the one we have? You think so? Well, then why don't you come here and find out how to do it? Because that's what we do with our Masters of Energy Regulation Law, the MERL. How about, would you like to sue the president? Would you like to at least slow him down? You understand he's rolling back every single environmental law in the books. You got that, right? You understand that, right? You understand what Mr. Pruitt's doing to the EPA, right? Hollowing it out, driving people away, defunding it. Does that matter to you? I don't know. Clean air matter to you? Does it matter what you're breathing? Does it matter where you live downwind of a power plant? Coal-fired power plant? That this administration is determined to keep burning and to restart the ones that have closed because there are cleaner sources available? So, would you like to sue the president? Well, come on board, because we got the clinic that's doing that right now. As I speak, yesterday we were on the phone with a group of lawyers pushing back against President Trump's attempts to completely destroy the national monuments created by two other presidents. Ain't gonna happen. Not if we have anything to say about it. Not if you have anything to say about it. So, you want to get... How about this? Maybe litigation's not your thing. It's not everybody's thing. You know, it's my thing, but it's not everybody's thing. So maybe the sweet voice of reason, as Dean Nolan would like to promote, which is a good idea. So maybe collaboration, negotiation, mediation. Why can't we just get along? Let's work these things out. That's an important part of the puzzle. Can't just cram things down people's throat all the time. So we got that too. Dispute resolution, whole suite of courses. Do we still have a certificate?
No.
No, but you can still get close to it. Look, I'll tell you what, I'll give you a certificate, okay? How's that? So, transactional law, our solar clinic in the Energy Institute, we're helping communities build distributed energy systems. Solar is booming, big time. Solar and wind are the fastest growing sectors of the energy sector. Solar is creating more jobs than all of the other sectors of the economy put together. Solar installation, electricity generation I'm talking about. Did you hear that? Solar, not coal, not gas. Solar is creating jobs. Over 200,000 in California last year. See, that's where the future is. That's where we are. That's what we're talking about. We're not talking about the past. We're not even talking about right now, today. We're talking about long term. How are you going to have a sustainable planet? What does that mean? What kind of policies do you need? What kind of laws do you need? What kind of contracts do you need? What kind of systems do you need? What kind of agencies do you need? What kinds of entrepreneurial activity do you need? You want to go to work for a green company, a B corporation? Great, you can do that. In fact, you want to go work in France? You can do that. Italy? You can do that. China? You can do that. You got another idea? Let us know. Where do you want to go? What do you want to be? Why the hell are you here? It's an important question. Why are you here? And what are you going to leave behind? So, we're a pretty serious group, sometimes. But we know how to have fun. We know how to have fun. And we're in a great place to have fun. I mean, where else do you want to learn about environmental law than Vermont? Right? And summer does come. July 4th. It'll be here. And that's always something wonderful to look forward to. The dean mentioned the summer program. Wow. You want to stretch your brains? You want to stretch your thinking? How about earth law? How about the rights of nature? How about the rights of other living beings? How about we aren't here alone? But also, how do you write a conservation easement? How do you make it work? How do you finance clean energy? What's happening in the developing world? Where's India going with its energy system? How do you get solar cooking instruments into rural villages that don't even have electricity and that are cooking their food over open fires and breathing in black carbon that are killing women and children by the millions? Yes, by the millions. Could we stop that? Could we change that? Could we get clean water where it's needed? Could we electrify places on the planet, 2 billion people that don't have electricity? Can we do it with clean energy? Would you like to be part of that revolution? Would you like to have that on your transcript? Then come here. Join us. We'd love to see you. Thanks.